What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July. It's like 6 right now. I am back on Coronado Island. It's insane here. There's so many people here. I had to go park way, probably like a 10-minute walk from where I was yesterday because there's just no parking. And everyone's trying to find parking. I didn't want to come too early because that means I have to wait like 5 hours. But I'm just going to try to go in the same spot I did yesterday. And if you didn't know, I think I said it in yesterday's vlog, but they take off from 4 different barges all around the city. So it should be like an epic show. It's called the Big Bay Boom or something like that. So I'm gonna set up and get ready. And the reason I parked way down there because I wasn't trying to pay $40 to park in the same spot I parked yesterday for free. Makes no sense. They just try to take advantage of you. But yeah, we're almost there. I'm at the hotel. This is actually the street that I was on yesterday. So let's go down that street. That's the spot I was at yesterday at the end of the beach. But I'm gonna go over here because there is a bunch of people over there. There's like music playing, so we're gonna see what's going on. Maybe there's something cool, maybe there's just people walking around sitting there, but let's just check it out. Look at all these people camped out. So many people. Beach is so crowded. Hopefully my tiny little spot is open though. So I'm kind of at my spot that I was yesterday. I don't really know where the barges are, but I guess we'll find out. Look at this guy. Got an hour left. I am freezing right now. Everybody's getting ready. Sun's going down. The barges are coming out. There's a barge right there. And a couple more barges went over that way, like 3 of them. Then there's some more barges to the right. And that's there's a barge right there. Hopefully they come off right from the middle and we can see them with the city in the background. It'll be the perfect shot. I'm freezing right now. I need a sweater. There's so many boats in the bay right now. Check it out. All those little red lights are boats. About 30 more minutes. back home. Those are some of the best fireworks I've ever seen. So the only one that beats those are Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and then our fireworks that year, the firework battles video. Everything else, those are the best. Why is this freezer not shutting? But yeah, so I didn't get a ton. Why isn't this freezer shutting? Come on. I didn't get a ton of footage. So what I did was I wanted to take some pictures, some long exposure pictures, try to get that perfect fireworks shot, maybe combine some pictures. So I took a ton of pictures, all while also doing video at the same time, and then stopping some pictures, doing some video, stopping the video. And then I wanted to get my drone up, so I sat there taking pictures and a little bit of video with my camera for about, I don't know, 5-7 minutes. Then I had to pack up everything real quick, run to the street. I thought I didn't want to take off from the beach and the sand and the dirt and the grass and over people's heads. And I was trying to figure out a place to take off in like the little parking area, kind of like a side parking lot. The street, remember the street that I told you that I was on yesterday? Well, I was trying to look for a thing there, but it was too dark and there was really no space. And there was a bunch of people there. So I went past to the street. I turned right at the sidewalk, and there was a little area that I was going to take off from. And I turned the drone on. I turned my remote controller on. And I was trying to get everything. It was dark, so it was kind of hard to see. Then I noticed that the SD card wasn't in there, and the SD card was in my backpack. So I had to figure out, remember where I put it. I finally found it, and it was a bitch to get in. I couldn't see. I dropped the memory card in the grass. I had to get the flashlight out to try to find it. I found it. I put it in, and all while that was happening, right when I put the SD card in, the grand finale started. So I got the drone up, and as I was starting it, as I hit the button to take liftoff, there was a freaking couple and their baby that was walking. So I was like, oh shit. I grabbed it, picked it up, I let them walk, I put it back down, picked it up, picked the drone up. There was some telephone wires above me, didn't want to hit those, so I had to carefully get it up, all while the grand finale was just about to basically starting. So I was kind of running out of time. I only had but like a minute or two left, and that's what you've seen with the drone footage. So I didn't really get a lot of drone footage, and I couldn't really put all the settings to make it look perfect that I wanted to. So I was kind of running on time, but I did get some nice videos. Those fireworks were really good. I couldn't see the fireworks to the right because I think they were behind the bridge, but there was the fireworks right in front of us. There was fireworks to the left, which was in, I think it was Mission Bay Park, and then there was fireworks at SeaWorld, all going at the same time. It was really, really, really good. I got some good pictures. Hopefully I can edit them, maybe put a couple together that are in the same spot and like photo merge to make it come out to one really good picture. But let me know what you guys thought about this video. You know, every 4th of July I try to come at you with something good. Try to get some great footage of some fireworks that I know a lot of my viewers, most of my subscribers actually subscribe because of that firework video, and that's the only video they watch. So if you are watching this, please guys, don't just watch my firework video and come back every year just for my firework video. Check out my vlogs that I actually put work into, and my cinematic videos and all those little mini movies that I make. Actually watch those, and not just that firework battles or looking forward. I know you guys look forward to the firework videos, but that's not what my channel is about. That only happens once a year, and that happens if I get lucky. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. Keep tuning in, because the next time you see me, I'll be in Cabo, Mexico. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next vlog. This is the Life of Mikey. Happy 4th of July.